Hello. The video that you are about to watch is designed to teach you how to make edits in Wikispaces. So the first thing you want to do is go to the page that you want to edit. I know for most of you that's going to be this Act 5 scene, as that is the activity that you're responsible for. The first thing that we want to know is how to get into the edit screen. So that's very simple. You go over to this edit button and click edit. Now we notice we already have a link here, that's why the word is purple and is underlined. But we're going to want to know how to make more links. There's two kinds of links, internal and external. So, for example, we might want to link to this word dreams here, and we're going to go ahead and hit link. Now there's two kinds we can do. We can do an internal link, which links us to another page within the wiki, or an external link, which links us to a website. Okay, so if we do this one, we hit dreams, okay, and this is actually creating a page as we go. So if we do an internal link, it will create the page. The page will be called whatever words you have highlighted. If you want something different, you'll want to type it in here, okay. Act 5 dreams or something like that, right? You can type in whatever you want. But if you don't want that, you could just use this, okay. You'll go ahead and go add link, and then hit save. And when you click here on this word, see how it's red, you are brought to a page that says, oh, this doesn't exist. So the first thing you want to do is click the edit button, right? In here, you can type whatever you want, add images, add questions, that kind of thing, okay? But you always want to make sure that you can get back to where you came from. So no matter what you add in here, you'll want to be able to link it back. So we'll return to Act 5, link. Now this is already a page that's in here. See how it says Act 5, Scene 1. These are already pages that you can link to. Add link. We'll hit save. And if we click on this, it brings us right back to this page. Now to do an external link, we'll want to be able to find something that we're actually linking to. So one of the things we could do is maybe perhaps provide a definition. So flattering, okay? If I don't know what the word flattering means, what I can do is look it up. And we have a link right here, the free dictionary, and it shows flatter, and it gives us a definition. All right, so we'll go here, we'll select this link. We can hit Command C or Control C, depending on you have a Mac or a PC. For Macs, it's Command C. You could also go up to this edit button and hit copy. Then we'll go back to our page. We'll select the word. We'll hit link. And instead of doing a page here, we're going to do web address. We'll go in this box. If you right click, you can hit paste. If not, you could do Command V or Control V. And because that we're going to a page outside of the wiki, we're going to want to open it in a new window. So we'll click this box, and then we'll go ahead and do add link. And this little arrow here tells us that we're going to a link off of the page. So we'll go ahead and hit save right here. Another thing that we'll want to be able to do is to add an image. Okay, now to add an image, if you don't already have it on your desktop or on your computer, then you're going to have to go out and find it. And this is what makes it a little more tricky. So let's go and we will search for, let's say, a banana. Okay, so we'll go to images. I like this one, so I'll click on it. That looks like a great banana. Now, if you right click, you can get a copy image, save image. This is ways to save it to your computer. Another way, if you're a Mac user, is to hit Command-Shift-4, and it actually gives you the ability to take a picture of whatever you want on the screen. So see how there's little crosshairs? We're gonna, wherever we start, we're gonna click and drag, and when I let go, you hear the camera sound, which means it took a picture. And if we minimize this and go to our desktop, we have a picture of a banana. Fantastic. So now we'll go back to our project. We'll get rid of this extra link. We'll go back to our project, and wherever you put the cursor, that's where the picture will show up. So let's say I want to put it before Balthazar enters. So here we'll go to File. We're going to go to Upload File. And then this screenshot that's on our desktop is what we want to upload. But let's say you have something else. Okay, you have a photo from image capture or iPhoto or something like that. You could go under here and upload the file from there. But our image is on our desktop, so we'll go ahead and upload it. If you notice, a little image of what it looks like should show up. Here we go, banana. We'll click it, and we have a banana. Now this banana looks a little bit too big for what we're looking for, so maybe we want to make it a little smaller by hitting this minus button. If we wanted to make it bigger, we could hit the plus button. We also have the option of changing where the banana is on the screen. So by using these alignment tools right here, if we use the left alignment, it puts the banana on the left and the text on the right. If we use the right alignment, it swaps them, banana on the right, text on the left, or we could center it. Now because we took this image from someone else, we want to make sure that we give credit to them. And to do that, we're going to add a link. Okay. We'll go to where we got the banana from. If you double click, it'll highlight the whole URL here. You can hit Command C or you can hit copy. All right. We'll go back to our page here. We'll go web address, new window, address, Command V, or we could do paste, add link, and we're going to go ahead and save it. So now we have a banana on the screen. Okay. Another thing that you may want to do, instead of uploading an image, you may want to upload a file. So maybe there's something that you've created in a Word document and you want to upload it. You upload it in a very similar way. You hit File, Upload Files. We'll go to our documents, and let's see, I want to upload this file, Dickinson Poems. Okay, so I open it, it loads to here, give it a second, we'll upload it, hit save, and now we have a file. So if you were to click this file or download this file, anyone else who comes to this page would have access to it, to these poems. Alright. The last thing that you might want to do is to make a comment. Okay, so in order to make a comment on something, you have to attach it to some sort of text. So Balthazar says here, I do beseech you, sir, have patience. So let's say I want to ask a question about this. I'm going to highlight this, go to comment, and then I get to type my comment in here. Why does Balthazar ask him to have patience? Okay. Now, normally the tendency when you're typing something in is just to hit enter and it'll send it, because that's typically is what we're used to. However, in the Wikispace, if you hit enter, it'll just bring you to the next line. So instead, you want to hit save. And now if we scroll down, see how we have the bubble and it says one comment, view one comment. Okay. We scroll down, our comment shows up over here. Fantastic. All right. If there's anything else that you think that you might want to do besides adding an image, adding a file, adding an internal link or an external link, please send me an email. Before we leave this page, we always want to make sure that our links work. So that's the last thing that you'll want to do before you leave it, is just to check your work. So we'll click on our banana. Great, it goes to the website that we got it from. We're going to click on our flattering link. Brings us to the definition, and we'll click on our internal link, brings us to the page that we created. Again, once again, if you have any questions, please send me an email. If not, have fun.